be sure to turn the power off before performing any maintenance. Before performing this service, it is necessary to shut off the water. Find the saddle valve, turn it clockwise until it stops. All right, so here we have a drum assembly. We're going to go ahead and replace this pad. So the first thing to do is take it apart. There's a little spring steel clip down inside of here. We're going to squeeze it together and slide it off of the shaft. This is the old one. A new one does come with a pad, with a new pad, but just in case we lose it, we're going to hang on to this for a minute. Now we're going to slide the open end of the drum off the shaft. Okay, here's that. And now the pad. We're going to get rid of this. All right, so we have the closed side of the drum, the shaft, and the open side. We're going to wash these with mild soap and water to get all the calcium and scale off of them, and then we're going to put a new pad on. All right, here we go. So let's get the new pad over here. And we're going to slide it onto the closed end first. All right, it's on there. You want to get all the fingers on the drum on the inside, as you can see. Now we'll put the open half of the drum assembly on. There we go. Slide it down the shaft, and we're going to move this pad out of the way here of the fingers. All right, so it's put together. Let's take a look at the back side here. Okay, so we have the stainless steel shaft. You'll notice a little crimped end here. There's a similar crimp to that down inside here that goes into a little groove in the drum assembly, and that keeps the drum rotating with the shaft at the same speed so it doesn't slip. So we're going to make sure that that's pushed all the way down in there, that shaft. So we're going to push this down, get our spring steel clip and slide it down onto the shaft. You have to squeeze it together. And we'll slide it down there. There we go. Now, the purpose of this little spring steel clip is to hold both halves of the drum together. So that's what it's doing, and it locks it in place. Now, this thing's ready to go back inside of the humidifier. The closed side here goes closest to the motor, which would mean the open side here goes away from the motor. I'm your host, Jay. Thank you for watching. For additional help or questions, please feel free to contact us.